turn your head completely. Steady. Stay. Stop. This side. Stop. Steady. Smile. Stop. Grip. Stay. Stay. Stop this side. Stop. Steady. Stay. Look at that side. Grip. Steady. Stay. Stop and more. Stop. Stay. Stay. Stop. Grip. Stay. Stay. Stop. Raise your foot. Yes. Yes, very good. This hill should be higher. Yes. Higher. Straight. 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 Yeah, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, wait. Your hand will be till here. Yeah. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3. This way. This way. This straight. 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 Keep your back straight. Back straight. Like this. This is your correct position. Sorry. This is your correct position. Here. Your hands. Straighten your hands. Relax, relax, relax. Here we go. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next time you a little slow. Take it. Once again, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, look at that side. 3, 4. Now straight. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Look at that side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to look that side and straight to the audience. Look at that side, then straight to the audience. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dhalam, gutak, gutak, lidgin, tom, sa, say, tap, this, say, tap, ta, say, tap, this, tap, ta, say, tap, this, tap, ta, say, tap, this,